Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make smoothie with ugu leaf, or called pumpkin leaf. Ugu leaf has a lot of health benefits. Ugu leaf, or called pumpkin leaf, is used in cooking a lot of Nigerian cuisine. But not only can you use it to cook, you can also use it to make your smoothie. For the past years, it's been my favorite smoothie due to the health benefit. To see how I made it, then keep watching. Please, if you're new here, please hit that button and subscribe. Also leave your comment and give me a thumbs up. To make the ugu smoothie, you need a fresh ugu leaf. I have ugu leaf that I've washed, is clean. 1 apple and 1 lemon. You can also use lime for this recipe, and it's been washed and clean. In the glass bowl, I squeeze 1 lemon juice off camera. Next, I'm going to cut the apple, take out the seed, and transfer to the blender. After that, I'm also going to cut the fresh ugu leaf. You can get ugu leaf to buy in any African food shop around you. That is if you live in UK or abroad. But if you live in Africa, you can get it in any market around you. Do you know that drinking ugu leaf smoothie is going to improve your memory loss? That is if you have memory loss. And also if you're struggling with fertility, it's going to promote and boost your fertility. Means if you're struggling to get pregnant, it's going to help you out. And if you're a nursing mom, it's going to help boost your breast milk. Also, it helps in losing weight. If you've been struggling with weight loss, drinking this twice a week is going to help shade that weight loss. Growing up as a child, I suffered from convulsion. If you have a child that is suffering from convulsion, you can give that child ugu smoothie, but you need to add coconut water and salt. Ugu smoothie is going to help you improve your teeth, your bones. Drinking ugu leaf smoothie is going to help improve your blood production. Also, if you're suffering from diabetes, it's going to help you out. It's going to balance your hormones. There's a lot of health benefits in drinking ugu smoothie. After transferring the ugu leaf to the blender, the apple and 1 lemon juice, you can use lime juice for this. The next step is to blend until smooth. You want to blend until very smooth. Ugu leaf, or called pumpkin leaf, is high in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, high in iron and high in fiber. I can go on and on and on. Drinking this twice a week is going to help improve your health. Like, there's so many health benefits in this ugu leaf, and not to talk of when you add the apple. An apple a day is going to keep you away from doctor. It's confirmed truth. And if you want to lose your weight, please drink this twice a week. Replace it with your breakfast. So this is the finished product. I hope after watching this video, you go out there and buy your ugu leaf and make your smoothie at least once a week, twice a week. This is my secret. A lot of people see me and they say, oh, you're glowing. This is my secret. And again, if you're a light skin girl, it's going to help your light skin glow. If you're chocolate, you're just going to be glowing. Trust me, I drink this twice a week. At worst, once a week. Thank you so much for watching this video till this time. I just feel like sharing this with you. Apart from showing you how to cook that delicious food at home, I'm also going to show you how to take care of your health. Thank you so much. Feel free to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. Love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye-bye.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star.